Good afternoon,
Buenas
good
tardes,
evening,
buenas
good
noches,
morning.
buenos días.
Welcome to this World
Bienvenidos
Christian Leadership
hasta
Conference
al
webinar
webinar de
on
la
religious
Asamblea
freedom
Mundial del Clero.
and world peace, the role of religious freedom
Este
and
es el
world
webinar
peace.
de la
The
fe,
World Christian
la
Leadership Conference
Asamblea Mundial
is a
del Clero
coalition
es
of
una
united
coalición
clergy striving to
de
bring about a peaceful world centered
clérigos
on
unidos
God.
centrados en Dios.
My name is
Mi
Dr.
nombre
Thomas
es el
Sellover,
Dr. Thomas Sellover,
President of
presidente
Professors World
de
Peace
la
Academy
Academia de
International,
Profesores
and it
para la
is
Paz
my
Mundial
honor to
Internacional,
serve
y es
as
mi
your
honor
MC for
ser
this
su MC hoy
critically
día en este
important
tiempo
program.
crítica
Thank you.
importante.
Religious freedom
La
and the violations of it have become a
la
pressing
libertad
issue
religiosa
on a global scale.
en
Our
una
contemporary concept of religious
tenemos
freedom
un
is rooted
concepto
in early
que
Christian
se ha hablado
defenses of
mucho
conscience against state coercion. So that goes back a long way. It was also formalized in the
también está
founding
formulado
documents
como
of the United States
aquí en
toward
los
the
Estados
end of the
Unidos.
18th century. The concept has been now
concepto
expanded around the
ha
world
sido expandido por
and
todo el
made
mundo y
universal through the UN
ha sido
Declaration of
universal
Universal
para
Human Rights,
como
Universal
derechos
Declaration of
humanos
Human
universales
Rights,
como
Section 18,
en la
shortly
sección
after World War
17
II.
después de la Segunda
Religious
Guerra
freedom
Mundial.
was further
La libertad
codified
religiosa
in
fue
international
recodificada
law
en la ley
by Section
internacional
18 of the
en la
International
sección
Covenant
16
on Civil and Political
en
Rights, which was
en la cuestión
adopted by the
política que
UN
fue
General Assembly
adoptado
in 1966.
en
So
en
the preservation of religious
la
freedom
preservación de
as a
de
human
la
right
libertad religiosa
is enshrined in
como derechos
international law,
humanos y a través de
and
la
all
ley de la ley de los
193
derechos humanos.
members of the United Nations
Esto fue
have
declarado
signed
por
on
los
to the
miembros
Universal
de las
Declaration of
Naciones
Human
Unidas
Rights.
y fue
Nevertheless,
también,
the history of religious
no
persecution
obstante, la
is
historia de
long
la
and bitter
persecución
and
religiosa ha
continues
sido
until this
imperativa y
very
ha
day.
sido y continúa hasta
As
estos
we will
días.
hear,
Así como vamos a escuchar
persecution of Christians
la
and
persecución de
members
los
of
cristianos y
other religious
miembros de
communities
otras
is a
religiones
current
es
reality
una realidad
in many countries.
actual en muchos
As many of
países.
you may
Y
know,
como ustedes sabrán,
our WCLC
nuestra
founder,
Asamblea Mundial
Dr.
de
Hak
Claro,
Jahan
la
Moon,
fundadora, la
the
doctora
Mother of
Hak Ja Han Moon, la
Peace,
Madre de la Paz,
has been
ha
incarcerated
sido
in South
encarcelada
Korea.
en Corea del Sur.
Couple of housekeeping details for
Estas
our
algunas
webinar
cosas
today.
de las
We'll have
cuestiones
translation available
aquí
in
para
4
que
languages:
podamos colaborar.
Spanish,
Tenemos
French,
traducción
Portuguese, and Korean,
al
available on
español,
the
al francés, al
interpretation
coreano,
tab, as
al
you can see
japonés,
on your
y
screen.
usted puede ver el
Also,
icono de la
at the end
interpretación
of
para
this
su
program,
facilidad.
there will be a
Para
reflection form
habrá un
sent in
formulario
the
de
chat.
reflexión
Actually,
al
I've asked it to
final
be
de
posted earlier so you can all see it and all get it.
de este
And
webinar habrá
that's
un formulario de
because your
reflexión
feedback is highly
porque es muy
valuable for the
importante que podamos
continuing
compartir
advancement of these webinars.
para seguir
Please
adelante con
kindly
estos
share
webinars
your
mensuales. Por favor,
inspirations and your
amablemente les
feedback.
pedimos que puedan
Now,
compartir sus
let us begin.
reflexiones. Y ahora vamos a empezar.
To open our program, I
Para
would
abrir
like to
nuestro
invite
programa, le vamos a
Dr.
invitar
Tanya
a la
Edwards,
doctora Tanya
who is
Edwards,
Director
que
of
es la
International
directora
Affairs for the
de los
World
Asuntos
Christian Leadership
Internacionales para la
Conference,
Asamblea
to
Mundial del Clero,
offer an
para
opening
ofrecer
prayer
la
on
oración,
behalf of all of
la
us.
apertura en
Dr.
oración
Edwards,
en
please
nombre
lead
de
us
todos
in
nosotros.
prayer.
Por favor, doctora Tanya.
Thank you, Dr. Sullivan.
Gracias, Dr.
And we
Sullivan.
ask that everyone
Y
join
así
with me in
vamos
prayer.
a hacer la
Almighty
oración. Me
God,
acompañan, por
we
favor.
understand
Nuestro
that as the
queridísimo
Father
Padre
of
Celestial,
creation,
tú
the
como
one and only who
el
could
creador y
create
el
this
Padre de
world and
y desde el
mankind,
momento que
that we
creaste
give you honor
desde
and
mucho
glory
tiempo
today because
nos
this day
te
you have
damos la
made,
gloria y el honor hoy
and that
día
we are also
y
supposed to be
estamos
joyful
aquí
and rejoice and be glad in
compartiendo la
this day
alegría,
because
seguir
we are
contentos
here to
porque
be
estamos
able to
aquí
reach out and to
para
call
poder
out
alcanzar
and
y
to
llamar
ask for you
y a
to help us
pedirte
in
que nos
every
ayudes
need,
en
in
cada
every
necesidad, en
situation.
cada
And I
situación.
pray for
Y
those
oro
that
para
are
aquellos que
being persecuted
han
under
sido
the
y son
banner
perseguidos,
of
que
religion.
puedan
They are
realmente
being
elevarse
persecuted
en
for religious
en la
beliefs
libertad
and
y que
persecuted
puedan ser
for
abrazados en la bandera de la libertad,
misunderstandings
aquellos que han sido
of the
malentendidos
governments in
y sobre
different
todo
areas of the
en sus
world.
gobiernos
We
en
pray that
diferentes
you would
áreas de este
touch each
mundo.
and every one,
Quiero
that you would
queremos que
soften the
alcances
hearts and
y
the
que
minds
puedas
of
realmente
those who have
abrazarlos
persecuted
sobre
those
aquellos y
individuals,
que
and that
puedan
you would
realmente aquellos que
actually
están
help in the
persiguiendo a estas
situation
personas
of
puedan realmente
Haktahan
tener
Moon today, right now as
misericordia
we speak. And I
y
pray for
ahora
all of
mismo
those
muchas
that are
cosas
on
están
the call
pasando
today,
y
all
aquellos que
those that
estamos
are
ahora
in
mismo en
need
esta
of you,
llamada,
that you would reach out
aquellos que
and
están
reach down
necesitados
and
que
touch and
puedan ser
help each
alcanzados,
and every situation. We
que
thank you
podamos
for
realmente
our
consolados en
leader,
cualquier situación
Chairman
en la que
Dr.
estamos
Kim.
viendo.
We
Gracias
thank
por
you
nuestro
for all
líder,
of
el
those who
Dr.
are
Kim, y a
participating
todos aquellos
today.
que están aquí
And
presentes
please
en esta
be
reunión. Esté
with us
esté con
as we reach
nosotros, así
out
como
with the
nosotros
World
alcanzamos
Christian
para
Leadership
que la Asamblea Mundial
Conference
del
in
Clero
each and every
en esta,
corners
cada
of the
uno de en
world,
cada esquina de
that
este
we can
mundo,
touch
que
those
podamos
lives that are
tocar
in need
aquellas
of you,
vidas que
touch the
necesitan
minds
de
and
ti,
hearts that are
aquellas las
desiring
mentes y los
the love
corazones,
that you can only
aquellos
give.
que vos
And I
amas y que
thank you
ellos te
this
aman,
day for all
y te
that you've
agradecemos por
done
este
and all that
mundo,
you're
por
doing.
este
And
día,
we ask
por
all
todo lo que has
this
hecho
in
y te pedimos todo
gratitude
esto en
to
gratitud.
Mother Han and to
Te servimos
in
en
Jesus'
honor
name. Amen and
Holy
Achu.
Madre Han y en el nombre de nuestro Señor
Too.
Jesucristo.
Thank
Amén y
you
Ayú.
very much, Dr.
Gracias.
Edwards, for your
Gracias, doctora
grace-filled
Edward, por
prayer.
esa linda,
Indeed.
agraciada
Next, I'd like to
oración.
call upon
Y ahora
Dr.
vamos a
David
llamar
Eaton,
al
who
doctor
will
David,
introduce the opening song.
al doctor David
Dr.
Eden, que
Eaton
nos
is a
va a introducir
composer,
la
a
música, el
conductor,
musical
and
de
producer.
apertura.
He has been
El
music
doctor,
director of the
el
New
doctor
York
Eaton
City
es el
Symphony
compositor y
since
productor
1985. And he also
de Nueva
serves as
York,
global
de la Sinfonía
coordinator
Global.
of
Él
the
es el director
International
y es también
Association
de la
of
Asociación
Arts and Culture
Internacional de
for
la
Peace,
Cultura y el Arte
which is one
por
of
la
the
Paz,
pillar
y que es uno
associations
de los
of
pilares
UPF,
en la
Universal
asociación
Peace
que
Federation.
trabaja
Let's
conjuntamente con la
welcome
UPF.
Dr.
Así que le
Eaton.
damos la bienvenida al doctor Eden.
Thank you, Dr. Sullivan. Thanks for
Gracias,
the
doctor
opportunity
Sullivan.
to
Gracias
share
por
a
esta
bit.
oportunidad de
The
servir
music we're about to
la
hear
música que vamos a escuchar
was the
ahora
result
es
of the
el
work we were
resultado
doing
de un
in
trabajo que hemos
Israel between
estado haciendo
2003
en
and
Israel
2012
entre el
for the Middle East Peace
2012 y
Initiative. And I
2013.
traveled to Israel
Y
many
mi
times
viaje
to help
a
produce
Israel
concerts and
me ha
conferences. And
ayudado
one of the
a
concerts
crear
we did there
en estos
featured the
conciertos.
Israeli singer David
Y
Dior. And David's one of
los
Israel's
cantantes
top
inclusive que están
singers and songwriters.
en estos
After the performance,
conciertos,
he reached out to
después
me about doing a
de esta presentación,
large-scale piece of music
se
based on
acercó a mí y me
interfaith
dijo que
themes.
tendríamos que hacer
So he
muchísimos
wrote the
más
music
conciertos a
together.
propósito de la
He
paz
has since
para
become an
trabajar
ambassador for
juntos,
peace.
y desde ahí que
And
estamos trabajando
the
con
music you're
obras
about
para
to
la
hear is an
paz
excerpt from
y
the very
utilizar
first
todo
concert we
esto
gave
que
of this
puede
music.
elevar y
It's an
contribuir
abridged version in the interest of time.
que pueda
And we have
convertirse en
since
un
performed
puente.
this
Y
music
desde que estamos
throughout the world,
presentando esta
Asia,
música
Europe,
alrededor del mundo,
Israel,
en
and
Asia, en
twice
Europa, y
we've
dos
performed
veces lo
excerpts
hemos
from
hecho
this music at United Nations in the General Assembly.
en las Naciones
So
Unidas,
with that, many of you know my motto is
reuniones
more
generales.
music, less talk. So I'll
Y
stop talking and
entonces
we'll go to the
la
music.
música habla por sí misma, así que vamos a hablar menos y a escuchar la música ahora.
Thank you so much,
Muchas
Dr. Eaton,
gracias, Dr.
for
Eden,
sharing
por
such
compartir,
beautiful and
compartir
uplifting
esta
music with all of
linda y
us.
preciosa
You
canción para
really are
nosotros.
edified.
Realmente
Thank
es
you.
muy edificante. Muchísimas gracias.
Next, to
Siguiente,
further set the tone for our program, we'll have a
compartir
reading of the
el tono
Bible
de
and
esta
of True
reunión,
Mother's Words
vamos a
by
leer
Minister
las
Junko Osberg,
palabras de la
who is
Biblia y las
International
palabras
Coordinator for
de
WCLC.
la Madre de la Paz
Minister
por la
Osberg, please
ministra
go ahead.
Oxford, Junko Oxford, por
Thank
favor.
you. So
Gracias.
let's start with
Vamos
Bible verse,
a leer
Galatians
la
5,
Biblia,
verse
Galatías
1.
5:1.
Stand fast,
Estad
therefore,
pues
in the
firmes
liberty
en la
wherewith Christ
libertad con
hath
que Cristo
made us
nos
free,
hizo libres,
and be
y
not
no estéis
entangled
otra vez
again with the yoke of
sujetos al
bondage.
yugo de la esclavitud.
And this message
Y
was
este mensaje
given by Dr. Hak
fue dada
Jahan,
por la doctora Hak
titled
Jahan,
God's
titulada
Unchanging Will,
La voluntad inmutable de
in
Dios,
May
desde
2025.
Chong Song Gong, editada en
Why
la
has
época de
God
que se
endured a
reveló.
path of suffering through the
Porque Dios
many
ha soportado un
millennia
camino de
of the
sufrimiento a lo
providence of
largo
the
de los
restoration?
milenios de la
Is it
providencia de la
simply
restauración.
because God has kind heart?
Es simplemente porque Dios
Why
tiene un
has
corazón
God
bondadoso.
continued the
¿Por qué ha
providence of
continuado Dios la
salvation for the
providencia de la
tens of
salvación durante
thousands
las
of years
décadas
of
de
human
miles de años
history
de la historia
without
humana
becoming
sin
exhausted?
agotarse?
It is not
No
because
es
God is
porque Dios sea
all-knowing and
omnisciente y
almighty.
todopoderoso.
It is because
Es porque
God is
Dios
on the
está
path of
en el
love,
camino del amor,
seeking the beloved sons
buscando a
and
los amados
daughters
hijos e
who are
hijas que
lost.
estaban perdidos.
Love has
El
the
amor
great
tiene el
power
gran
to
poder de
triumph
triunfar sobre
over
todas las
all the
tribulaciones a un paso.
tribulations in its way. With
Con
love,
amor
we feel as if
sentimos
1,000
como
years
si
are
1000
but
años
one day.
fuera un solo día.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Please join me in thanking Minister Oberg for
Me
her
acompaña
careful reading
agradecerlo
of these
a
holy
la
words.
ministra
Thank you.
Junko por esta maravillosa lectura.
Now,
Y
we will
ahora
have the opportunity
tenemos la
to
oportunidad
receive
de
welcoming
recibir
remarks
las palabras
from
de
our
apertura y
chairman,
bienvenida a nuestro
Chairman of the World Christian
presidente
Leadership
de la Asamblea
Conference,
Mundial del
Dr.
Clero,
Ki
del
Hoon Kim.
Dr. Ki Hoon Kim.
Welcome, Dr. Kim. The floor
Bienvenidos,
is
Dr.
yours.
Kim. El micrófono es suyo.
Thank you,
Gracias.
Dr.
Gracias,
Salabor.
Dr. Salabor.
And today we
Y
have
hoy tenemos
wonderful speakers
unos
and
unos
wonderful
maravillosos
audience.
oradores y una
I
audiencia
am so
maravillosa.
great.
Estoy muy
Many
agradecidos
speakers
que hay muchos
and
oradores
also
y también
our audience
nuestra
from
audiencia
all around the
de
world.
todas las partes.
Dear brothers and
Queridos hermanos y
sisters,
hermanas,
distinguished,
distinguidos
my colleagues
colegas
and friends,
y amigos,
welcome to
bienvenidos
today's
a la
WCLC
Asamblea Mundial del
webinar.
Clero, el webinar de hoy.
It is your joy
Es
together
con
once
alegría
again
que una
as
vez
your
nos podemos
global
juntar aquí
community
como una sagrada
committed
comunidad,
to
como el
advancing
Comité
religious
de la
freedom
Asamblea
and
del Clero,
building a
hablando de la
world
libertad
of
religiosa y la
lasting
importancia
peace.
para
Your
para una paz
presence
duradera.
today
Tu presencia
reflects
aquí ahora
to
nos
share
reflexiona
conviction
a seguir
that
compartiendo
faith,
la convicción de la
when
fe
lived
que
with
puede realmente
courage
liderar
and
el coraje
compassion,
y la
becomes a
compleja
powerful force for
la
healing
complejidad que trae
and
para la
unity.
sanación y la unidad.
We are honored to be
Estamos
joined
honrados
by our
de
esteemed
tener a
presenters, Dr. Thomas
a los
Salabor,
reyes y
Dr. Grace
príncipes de la
Salabor,
paz,
Archbishop Sally from
el arzobispo
Ecuador,
Celi
and
y
our
a
beloved
nuestros
Dr. Thomas Ward,
queridos
leaders
los
whose
líderes y
scholarship
oradores que son
and spiritual
profesores
insight
y que tienen
continue
guía
to
espiritual para
strengthen our
continuar,
collective mission. I am
darnos la guía
grateful
que necesitamos
for
para seguir
their
con nuestro camino.
dedication
Gracias
and
por
for each
la
of you
dedicación y
who
por
contribute
poder
to
alcanzar
this
y
growing
contribuir
movement.
en este movimiento
As
que
you will
seguimos sin parar.
reflect on the
Así
role
podemos
of
nosotros
religious
reflexionar
freedom
en el
in
mundo de la
shaping
libertad
a peaceful
religiosa
world,
y donde
may
estamos buscando
today's
un mundo
discussion
pacífico, que
inspire
sea hoy
us to
día
lead
este tema nos
with
inspire a seguir
integrity,
liderando
deepen
para
our cooperation,
pueda realmente
and
alcanzar inclusive los lugares donde
uplift
estamos, nuestras
the
corporaciones,
dignity
y
of
podamos alcanzar
every
aquella
human
dignidad
being.
para todos los seres humanos.
Together,
Juntos,
let us continue
vamos a
to shine
continuar
a light
brillando
that guide our
con toda la
families,
guía
our nation, and
que
our world
podemos darle a nuestras
toward
naciones y al
great
mundo
hope.
con toda la
Thank you for
esperanza.
joining us,
Gracias por
and may
acompañarnos
today's program
y que este
be a
programa
blessing
sea una
to
bendición
all
para
of
todos
us.
nosotros.
Thank you, Dr. Kim.
Gracias, Dr. Kim.
Please join me in
Me
appreciating Dr. Kim's leadership and also his welcoming
agradezcamos
remarks. Thank you very much.
estas lindas palabras de bienvenida al Dr. Kim.
Now, we'll
Ahora
begin with
vamos a
our
empezar
panel.
con
We'll
nuestro
hear from our
panelista.
three distinguished and
Hemos
committed
escuchado-
panel members.
Hemos
Our
escuchado
first
que
speaker
tenemos
is Dr.
lindos.
Grace Selover,
Vamos a
who
escuchar
is a
a la
member
doctora
of the
Grace
National
Silver, que es
Education
miembro
Advisory Team of the Family Federation for
del
World Peace and
equipo de la educación
Unification,
nacional
USA.
de la Federación de Familias
Dr.
por la Paz
Grace
Mundial en
is
Estados Unidos.
also my beloved blessing partner.
También
So please,
la
let's welcome her.
doctora Silver es realmente mi compañera de bendición.
Go ahead, Dr. Grace.
Okay, thank
Muy
you.
bien, muchas gracias.
Ever since this creation,
Desde la creación,
can you hear me?
me podéis escuchar, ¿verdad?
Yes,
Okay.
we can.
Sí.
Ever since the
Desde la
creation,
creación,
God related
Dios
to Adam and
se
Eve
relacionó
and their
con Adán y Eva
descendants
como hijos
as
y sus
God's
descendientes como sus
and God
su-
as their parent,
y
the
como el
heavenly
padre,
parent.
su padre
They
celestial.
have the right and
Tienen el
privilege to
derecho y
worship
el
God
privilegio de adorar a
freely,
Dios libremente,
because
porque
that right and
este
privilege was
derecho y
given by God,
privilegio les fue
not by
otorgado
anybody
por Dios,
else,
nadie más,
not from any
ni por
government.
el gobierno,
Since the time of
ni
Abraham,
por ningún
Isaac, and
régimen
Jacob,
unitario desde
the
el tiempo de
children of
Abraham,
God
Isaac y
had the
Jacob. Los
privilege
hijos de Dios
as
tuvieron el
well as the
privilegio y la
responsibility to
responsabilidad
honor
de
and worship
honrar
God.
y adorar a
It is
Dios.
because
Esto se debe a
as
que,
children,
como hijos,
their innate right
su
and
derecho y
privilege
privilegio
point them,
innatos
keep pointing them
los
back
impulsaron
to God,
a
to
regresar a
their
Dios,
heavenly
a
parent.
su Padre Celestial.
But somehow,
Pero de alguna
the
manera,
situation
la
has been
situación ha
changed
cambiado
throughout the
a lo
human
largo de la
history.
historia
That
de la
right
humanidad.
and
Ese derecho
privilege
y ese
were either
privilegio fueron
compromised
comprometidos
or taken
y
away.
o arrebatados.
Devoted and
Las
dedicated
expresiones devotas y
expression toward
dedicadas
God
hacia
were
Dios fueron
prohibited
prohibidas
or
o
abandoned
vetadas
or banned
por
by the
por
man-made
normas
rules
humanas
or
o
decreed
decretadas
by
por
man-made
organizaciones
authoritative
o
organizations
instituciones
or
autoritarias
institutions,
creadas por el hombre,
including government
incluyendo
regimes.
regímenes
Hence, the
gubernamentales.
religious
Por
expressions
lo
and the
tanto, las expresiones y
practices
prácticas
were
religiosas se
jeopardized,
vieron
and
amenazadas.
the children of
Y los
God
hijos de
faced
Dios enfrentan
state-sponsored
prohibiciones,
prohibition,
persecuciones o
persecution,
deportación promovidas por el
deportation.
Estado.
One typical example,
Un
as we
ejemplo
all
típico
know,
que
that
podemos
we
recordar
call
en la
that
Biblia
from the
es
Bible is the
la
story of
historia de
Daniel.
Daniel.
At that
En
time,
aquel
King
entonces,
Darius
el rey
was in
Darío
charge,
estaba al
and
mando.
in
En
his
su
decree,
decreto,
he banned
prohibió
prayers to God,
oraciones a Dios,
who is the
quien
real
es el
King, the
verdadero rey.
Lord. Regardless,
El
this
Señor,
prayer is in
independientemente
public or
de
in private.
hacían un público o en
Because
privado.
Daniel
Por
prayed
orar
to
a Dios,
God,
Daniel fue
he
arrojado al
was
foso de
thrown
los
into
leones
lion's
por
den,
violar
as we all
el
know,
decreto del rey Darío.
for
Esta
violating King
violación
Darius'
del decreto del rey
Darius'
Darío
decree. So
se
this
convirtió,
violation of
esta
King
violación
Darius'
del
decree
decreto del rey
became a
Darío se
famous
convirtió
threat
en una
to
famosa
religious
amenaza a la
freedom
libertad
in
religiosa
human
en
history.
la historia de la humanidad.
There is another
Hay otro
example in the
ejemplo
20th
en
century that took place
Rusia
in
en
Soviet Russia
en el
and
siglo
the
XX
Eastern
que
Bloc.
tuvo lugar en la Unión
The
Soviética,
state of
en el bloque
Soviet
del Este. El
Union
Estado de la Unión
banned
Soviética
religious
prohibió
worship,
el culto religioso,
seized church
confiscó
properties,
propiedades de
and
las iglesias
closed
y cerró
places of worship
lugares de
to
culto
promote
para promover
atheism.
el ateísmo.
In these modern days,
En
we
estos
can
tiempos
think of
modernos
some
podemos
other
pensar en
examples
otros
of real
ejemplos de
stories
historias reales
happening
que
to
le sucedieron a
Christians,
cristianos,
particularly in
particularmente
China.
en China.
In our church
En nuestra
community, we
comunidad
have missionaries
tenemos
who were
misioneros que
captured
fueron capturados,
and put into prison
encarcelados
behind the Iron
tras la
Curtain
cortina de hierro
of
en la
communist
China
China.
comunista.
And they were
Están
incarcerated for the
encarcelados
sake
por
of
Dios
God and a true
y los
parent.
padres de
Right
Dios.
now,
Actualmente,
right at this
ahora
moment,
mismo, en este
with
momento,
very limited
con muy poca
communication with their
comunicación
family members.
con sus familiares,
They were
se
in labor
encuentra
camp
en un
in
campo
the
de trabajo
freezing cold
forzado
up in the north.
en medio de un
Their
gélido
family
invierno
members
en
worry
el norte.
and concerned
Sus
about where
familiares
they're
están
about
preocupados por
and
su
how they have been
estado.
doing. I hope we can keep
Necesitamos
them
tenerlos
in our prayer.
presentes en nuestras oraciones.
Now we see
Ahora
Christians
vemos que
again
los
being
cristianos sufren
persecuted in many
persecución
parts
en
of the
muchas
globe,
partes del mundo,
in Africa,
en
in
África,
China,
en
even
China,
in South
incluso
Korea.
en Corea del Sur.
And not only
Y no
Christians,
solo
but also
cristianos, sino
Muslims
también
and other
musulmanes y
religious
otros grupos
groups.
religiosos.
There are
Hay
many
muchas
more
más
stories and
historias y
situations
situaciones
that
que
are
están
happening throughout
sucediendo
the
en todo
world
el mundo,
where God's
donde a
children
los hijos de
and
Dios
their
se les ha
rights
quitado
and
los
freedom
derechos
to
y la libertad
demonstrate their
de
religious
manifestar su
expressions
expresión
have been taken
religiosa.
away. We need to understand
Necesitamos
that
comprender
the
que
instinct
el instinto
of worshiping
de
God
adorar a
freely
Dios
is
libremente
coming from God,
proviene de
the
Dios,
Creator, who
el Creador,
created human beings.
que creó a los seres
For
humanos.
us,
Para
as
nosotros,
God's children,
como
to
hijos de
honor
Dios,
and worship
honrar y
Him,
adorar a
our
Dios,
Heavenly Parent,
nuestro Padre
is
Celestial,
an
es un
innate
comportamiento
behavior
innato,
and a
una
spontaneous
reacción
reaction of filial
espontánea de
piety
piedad
toward
filial
our Creator.
hacia nuestro Creador.
In the United
En
States,
Estados
a
Unidos,
free society,
una sociedad libre,
we enjoy religious freedom,
disfrutamos de la
which
libertad
is the
religiosa,
fundamental
un
right
derecho fundamental otorgado
given
por
by
Dios.
God. Religious
La
freedom is
libertad de
also
religión también
included
está
in the
incluida en nuestra
Constitution.
Constitución.
This right
Este
to
derecho
free
al libre
exercise of
ejercicio de la
religion
religión
should not be
no debe ser
interfered with.
vulnerado.
Religious freedom
La
is
libertad religiosa
something
es
that
algo
we need to
de lo
become
que
more
debemos
aware
tomar
of
más conciencia
and
y
be more familiar with.
familiarizarnos más.
There are some
Hay
things
algunas
that we can
cosas
do
que podemos
locally
hacer a nivel
in order
local
to
para
increase our
aumentar nuestra
awareness of
conciencia
the
sobre
importance
la
of the
importancia de la
religious
libertad
freedom,
religiosa, como
such as by sharing
en
stories
primer lugar,
through
compartir
media. I
historias a
guess
través de
that's
los
the
medios de
best way
comunicación.
to
Esa es la mejor manera de
share our
compartir
concerns.
nuestras preocupaciones.
Or
O
building relationships
establecer relaciones
and creating
y crear
interfaith
coaliciones
coalitions,
interreligiosas,
fostering a culture of
fomentando una
tolerance
cultura de
and respect
tolerancia
for the
y
diverse
respeto
beliefs,
por las diversas
or
creencias. También
enhancing
mejorando
community
la
involvement to
participación de la comunidad
demonstrate
para
a
demostrar
positive
un
impact
impacto positivo
along with the
junto
local
con los
civic
grupos
groups,
cívicos locales.
or
Y también
protecting the
proteger
rights of
los derechos de
religious
de las
minorities
minorías
and
religiosas y
advocating
defender
for
el
mutual
entendimiento
understanding
mutuo en
of
materia de derechos
civil
civiles.
rights. With these
Con
efforts,
estos
I
esfuerzos
believe
podemos
we
crear un
can
mundo
create
mejor de
a better
conexión,
world of
intercambio, respeto,
connecting,
compasión,
sharing, respect,
comprensión
compassion,
y aprecio
understanding, and
y entendimiento
appreciation.
y también
Thank
agradecimiento.
you very much for your
Gracias
kind
por su
attention.
amable atención.
Thank you, Dr. Grace,
Gracias,
for
Dr.
your
Grace,
passionate
por
and
su
also practical
apasionada
message.
y práctico
Thank you very
mensaje.
much.
Muchísimas gracias.
Next, we
Ahora
will hear a special
vamos a
message
escuchar un mensaje
from
especial
Archbishop
del arzobispo
Chrysostomos Celi,
Crisóstomos Celi,
who is
que es
Metropolitan
el
Archbishop of the
arzobispo
Orthodox
metropolitano de
Church
la
of
Iglesia Ortodoxa
Ecuador
de
and
Ecuador
Latin
y de
America.
Latinoamérica.
Archbishop, it's very
Arzobispo,
good to have you
es
here.
muy bueno tenerlo aquí.
Please
Por favor,
go ahead.
adelante.
Thank you,
Muchas
Dr.
gracias,
Thomas,
doctor
and beloved
Thomas,
brothers and
queridos hermanos
sisters
y
in
hermanas
God, members of
y miembros de la
WCLC.
Asamblea Mundial del Clero.
Today, I
Hoy
want to talk
yo
to
quiero
you
hablarles
about
sobre
a historic
un momento
moment
histórico
for human
para
rights
los derechos
and
humanos
religious
y
freedom
la libertad
in
religiosa
Ecuador.
en Ecuador.
We are discussing the
Estamos
draft law
hablando
of
el
religious freedom
proyecto
and
de la ley de la
equality
libertad e
presented
igualdad religiosa,
twice to the
presentando
National
2 veces
Assembly,
ante la Asamblea
means
Nacional,
the
es decir,
Congress,
el Congreso,
by
por
CONALIR. CONALIR is the
CONALIR
National
es
Council for
el
Religious
Consejo
Freedom
Nacional
and
para la
Equality.
Libertad e Igualdad Religiosa.
But who is
Pero,
CONALIR?
¿quién es CONALIR?
It's not
No
just
es
a
solo
committee.
un comité,
It is the
es
voice
la voz
of the diverse
de las
spiritual
diversas comunidades
communities of our
espirituales
nation.
de nuestra
It
nación.
represents Roman
Representa a
Catholics,
católicos romanos,
Orthodox,
ortodoxos, evangélicos,
Jewish,
judíos,
Muslims,
musulmanes,
Latter-day Saints,
santos de
and
los últimos
many
días y
other
muchas
faith
otras
communities.
comunidades
In total,
religiosas.
more
Por
than
primera vez,
6,000.
como más
For the first time,
6,000.
these
Por
groups
primera
have
vez, estos grupos
united
se han unido
with a single
con un
purpose
único
to
propósito:
ensure what
garantizar
faith in
que la
Ecuador
fe en
is
Ecuador
not just
no solo sea
tolerated,
tolerada,
but truly
sino
free
verdaderamente
and
libre
equal
e
before the
igualitariamente
law.
ante la ley.
To understand
Para entender
the urgency
la
of
urgencia
this bill,
de este proyecto
we
de
must
ley,
look back for
debemos mirar
14
atrás.
years.
Durante
This
14
group
años,
has been
este
fighting
grupo ha estado
a
luchando
peaceful
una
but
batalla pacífica,
determined
pero
battle.
decidida.
Why?
¿Por qué?
Because
Porque
currently,
actualmente
Ecuador
Ecuador
regulates religious
regula
groups
los
under
grupos
the law
religiosos
of
bajo la ley
cults
de
from
cultos desde
1937.
1937.
Think about that.
Piénselo.
We are trying to
Estamos
regulate
intentando regular la
21st
diversidad
century
religiosa del
religious
siglo
diversity
XXI
with a law
con una ley
written near
escrita
90 years
hace
ago,
casi 90
during a
años,
time
en una
when
época
diversity
en que
was
la
viewed
diversidad
with
se veía
suspicion.
con mucho recelo.
Although the
Aunque
2008
la Constitución de 2008
guarantees
garantiza
rights on
derechos en
paper,
teoría,
the lack of a
la falta
modern
de una ley
secondary law
secundaria
has
moderna
left
ha
religious
dejado a las,
minorities in a
a las
legal
minorías
limbo.
religiosas en un limbo legal.
Conalir
CONALIR
has spent over a
ha
decade
dedicado más de
drafting,
una década
revising,
a
and
redactar,
advocating
revisar
for a
y
law
abogar
that
por
match
una ley que se
the
ajuste a la
constitutional
realidad
reality of our
constitucional
country.
de nuestro país.
This
Esto
hasn't just been a
no ha
legal
sido
draft
solo un
processing,
proceso de
it has
redacción
been
legal,
a
ha
fight
sido una lucha
for
por
dignity.
la dignidad.
Next image, please, Hannah. Yes, thank you. So,
Entonces,
what does this new
¿qué
project
propone este
propose?
nuevo proyecto?
It is not asking
No
for
pide
special
privilegios
privilege.
especiales,
It's asking for a
sino
level
igualdad
playing
de
field. The
condiciones.
law
La ley
focuses
se
on
centra
three
en
main
tres
things.
aspectos
The
principales.
next image, please. Exactly. Then is
Entonces,
legal personality.
la personalidad
It
jurídica
streamlines
agiliza el
how
modo en
religious
el que las
entities
entidades religiosas
obtain legal
obtienen
recognition,
reconocimiento legal,
moving away from
alejándose
bureaucratic
de la
discretion
discreción
to a
burocrática
rights-based
hacia un
approach.
enfoque basado en
Through
derechos.
equality,
Igualdad
it
real
ensures that no
garantiza que
church or
ninguna
faith
iglesia o
is
fe
superior
sea
or
superior a
another
otra ante el
before the
Estado.
state. It grants
Otorga
equal
igualdad
access to
de acceso a
chaplaincy
la
in
capellanía
hospitals
en
and
hospitales y
prisons and
prisioneros
fair
y un trato
tax
fiscal
treatment
justo.
and social
Y también la
contribution.
contribución social.
It recognizes the
Reconoce el
massive
trabajo social
social work,
masivo,
schools,
escuelas,
clinics,
clínicas,
shelters
refugios
that these
que
groups
estos
provide,
grupos brindan,
facilitating cooperation
facilitando
between
la
the state
cooperación entre el
and
Estado
religious
y las organizaciones
organizations to
religiosas para ayudar
help
a
the
los,
poor.
a los pobres.
Next image, please. The another one. More in the front. Okay.
Okay.
Then now,
Ahora bien,
why does
¿por qué
this matter
esto sucede
globally?
a nivel global?
We are living in an
Vivimos en una
era
era donde
where religious
la libertad
freedom is
religiosa se está
deteriorating.
deteriorando.
According to
Según
Pew
Pew
Research
Research
and international
y
watchdogs,
organismos internacionales de
restrictions on
control,
religions
las
are
restricciones a la
rising
religión están
globally,
aumentando a nivel
from
mundial, desde
totalitarian crackdowns
represiones
to
totalitarias
subtly
hasta sutiles discriminaciones
legislative
legislativas.
discrimination. We know
Lo
perfectly.
sabemos.
In this context,
En este contexto,
Ecuador
Ecuador
has the
tiene la
opportunity to
oportunidad de
become a
convertirse
global
en un
reference.
referente mundial.
By passing this
Con
law,
la aprobación de esta ley,
Ecuador tells
Ecuador
the
le
world
dice al mundo
that
que
religious
la libertad
freedom is not an
religiosa no es un
archaic concept,
concepto
but
arcaico,
a
sino un
fundamental
derecho humano
human right
fundamental
that
que
strengthens
florece
democracy.
desde la democracia.
This project
Este
is a
proyecto
contribution to
contribuye a la
global
paz
peace.
mundial.
It demonstrates that
Demuestra
a
que
secular
un
state
Estado
can
laico puede
coexist
coexistir en
harmoniously
armonía
with a
con una
pluralistic
sociedad
religious
religiosa
society.
pluralista.
It shows
Demuestra
that when
que
we
cuando
protect the
protegemos
conscience
la
of the
conciencia
individual,
individual,
we protect
protegemos
the heart
el
of
corazón
the
de
society.
la sociedad.
Next image, please.
La siguiente imagen, por favor.
In conclusion,
En conclusión,
the work of
la
CONALIR
labor de
over
CONALIR
these
durante
14
estos
years
últimos 14
is a
años
testament
es
of
un testimonio de
resilience.
resiliencia.
Actually,
De hecho,
I am the president
hoy
of CONALIR
soy el
and I
presidente de
served
CONALIR y
for
llevo
5
5
years
años
yet
en este
in this
cargo.
church. This law
Esta
is
ley
not just
no
for
es
religious
solo para
people.
las personas
It's
religiosas,
for all
es para todos los
Ecuadorians, an
ecuatorianos,
example for all the
garantiza
world.
que es inclusive para el mundo, que garantiza que sigamos siendo un país donde se es libre de creer, no de creer, sin temor a discriminación. En nuestro trabajo conjunto con la Asamblea Mundial del Clero, consideramos no solo instamos a la Asamblea Nacional que la voluntad de Dios desde este pequeño país, una visión al mundo, pueda ser considerado para inspirar la libertad religiosa al mundo. Instamos a la Asamblea Nacional a considerar esto no como un asunto político, sino porque ese es el problema. Porque cuando lo proponemos, ¿y porque ha sido denegado? Porque la cuestión de los derechos humanos, sino como una victoria material de derechos humanos. El mundo está observando y Ecuador está listo para liderar. Gracias. Y oramos cada día para la libertad de Holy Mother Han. Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you very much,
Gracias,
Archbishop Selle,
Arzobispo
for your
Selle,
heartfelt
por su
story from
corazón
Ecuador and your message.
puesto en
You
esta historia de
remind us
Ecuador.
all
Nos recuerda a
who
todos
we are
quiénes
and
somos
why we're
y
here
por qué
and
es que
how
estamos
important
aquí.
our
Y muy
work is
importante
together. Thank
porque
you
estamos
again.
aquí juntos. Muchísimas gracias.
Our third speaker now
Nuestro tercer
is Dr.
orador
Thomas Ward,
es el doctor
who
Thomas
is
Ward, que
Professor
es el
of
profesor
Peace and
de
Development
la
Studies
paz
and
y
Chair of the
el
Graduate
desarrollo,
Program in Peace
y
Studies
es el
at
presidente
HJ
de los
International
estudios
Graduate School for Peace and Public Leadership
en
in New
UTS,
York City.
aquí en
Let's
Nueva
warmly
York.
welcome Dr.
Le damos
Ward.
la bienvenida al Dr. Ward.
Thank you very much,
Muchas
Dr.
gracias,
Sullivan.
doctor.
And thank you, Dr. Ki-Hun Kim
Gracias, Dr.
and
Ki-Hun
Reverend
Kim y
Grodner for your
Reverendo
very
Grodner
kind
por su
invitation. It's
amabilidad
really an honor
en
for me to be here.
invitarme a esta reunión.
You know,
Yo
I've spent much of my
he
life
pasado
as an
mucho tiempo
academic, so
como
the
académico,
presentation that I'm going to
así que
do
la
may come
presentación que
across as
les voy
very
a presentar
academic.
es bastante académica,
However, I'd
pero
like to really
me gustaría
emphasize that I
enfatizar
have
de
been a
que
victim
yo he
of
sido
deprivation of religious freedom.
he sido una
I've gone
víctima
through 2D programmings,
depravado,
and I've
gone
privado
de mi
variety of
libertad
things, if you will,
religiosa.
just in
He
order to be
ido
able
a
to
los
maintain my faith.
desprogramadores
So
para
I
siendo
don't
no
have time to
fácil.
talk about those
No
things, and now's
tengo
not the time
tiempo
to do
como para
that.
compartir mi
But I
propia
would like
experiencia
to
en esto,
say
pero me
that
gustaría decirles que
what I'm going to share
lo
was
que les
really
voy a
motivated
compartir
because of my own personal
ha sido
experiences in
motivado
this
por mi
sphere.
propia
So
experiencia
without
en
further
esta.
ado, let me go ahead and
Sin
share
más
my
decir,
screen with all
voy a
of you.
compartir mi pantalla con ustedes para compartir con ustedes.
So my
Entonces,
topic today.
mi tópico de hoy es.
One second. My topic today
Mi
is
tópico de hoy es
healthy religion
la
versus religious freedom.
religión sana
And,
versus libertad
healthy
religiosa.
religion is a term that's often used by the
La
anti-cult
religión
movement
saludable definida por
to
el movimiento
describe religions that,
antisectas en
as
general,
Archbishop Selle mentioned,
y como decía el
that are
arzobispo
referred to as
Selle,
cults.
que se
They're not
refiere como
considered to be
cultos,
healthy
no
religions.
como
And
antirreligiones.
according to the
Y de
anti-cult
acuerdo con
movement, a healthy religion
el movimiento
is
antisectas
one that
considera que una
respects
religión
individual
saludable es aquella
autonomy,
que respeta la
maintains
autonomía individual,
transparency,
mantiene
and
la
does not use
transparencia y no
coercive mind
utiliza
control
técnicas
techniques to retain
correctivas
members.
de control mental
Not
para
much
retener
God
a sus
there, as you can
miembros.
see. But anyway,
Así
that's
como
their
usted puede ver.
definition.
Esa es la
In
definición.
the unification movement and
Nosotros
in
en el
many
movimiento
other
de
small movements,
unificación,
we have an infinite
generalmente
debt of gratitude to the
tenemos
late New
muchísima
York State
gratitud
Governor Hugh Carey, who 3 times between 1980 and
al secretario de Estado que
1982
entre el 1980
vetoed
y
a bill that would
1982
have taken away the
ellos
religious freedom
pusieron
of many
una
members of new
declaración de la
religions
libertad
in the state of New
religiosa
York.
aquí en
From
Nueva
there, it
York
could have spread all across the
y fue
country.
realmente
But he stood up
esparcido
and
por
said,
todos los
"This is
Estados
wrong."
Unidos y
And he said,
esto
"I'm not going to
dijo,
approve it, even though
no,
the state
no,
assembly had approved
no
it."
voy a
So
aprobar.
God bless Governor Carey for having
Gracias,
stopped that.
gobernador, por haber
You're all aware
ayudado
of
con
the
esto.
First Amendment of the
Ustedes
United States
están
Constitution, which really
conscientes
talks
de la
about
primera
Congress
enmienda de la
making
Constitución
no
de los
law
Estados Unidos,
respecting an
que el
establishment of
Congreso no
religion.
promulgará ninguna ley
Different from
que
the
establezca
Soviet
una religión
Constitution,
ni se prohibirá su
which we
libre
heard a little bit already
ejercicio.
from Dr. Grace Sullivan.
Y como ya hemos
Article
visto,
39 says, enjoyment by citizens of their rights
dice el
and
artículo
freedoms
10
must
a los
not be
ciudadanos
to the detriment of the interests of society or
se
the
les garantiza la
state.
libertad de
And
conciencia, es
even in the
decir,
case of the
el derecho
Republic
a
of
profesar
Korea,
o
it talks
cualquier
about how
religión y
religion and
también
state shall be
inclusive
separated.
explica también
However, the
inclusive
focus
cómo
of
el
the U.S.
Estado tiene que estar
Constitution is
separado.
that Congress. In other words, government should not make any law against religions, basically. So slightly different, a different nuance.
Es un poquito diferente a lo que quiere expresar. Pero cuando el padre Moon fue a la prisión en
1984 here in the United States. At that time, a number of religious leaders stood up because they were alarmed. They knew that Reverend Moon had been put into prison for the very reasons that anybody could be put into prison. And those who defended him included Dr. Joseph Lowry, who was the heir to the mission of Dr. Martin Luther King through the Southern Christian Leadership Conference that he presided over. And likewise, figures such as Dr. Jerry Falwell, the founder of the Moral Majority. So both liberal and conservative religious leaders in America were very, very concerned. But Reverend Moon said, wait a second, this is all very important, but we have to understand that there's even a greater religious freedom, threat to religious freedom in the world, and that is the threat of communism. Communism, he said, was the worst violator of religious freedom. And recently, Secretary of State Michael R. Pompeo has said there is enormous risk to believers of all faiths inside of China. Again, reiterating what Dr. Gray Sullivan mentioned. Already in the case of China, the bishops of the Catholic Church, the so-called patriotic Catholic Church in China, they have to be approved by the Chinese government. Not just by the Vatican, but by the Chinese government. And likewise, China has made clear that they are going to have a major say in who the successor to the Dalai Lama will be once he passes. So we're really talking about brute force being entered into the freedom of religion. In his book, Modern Times, Paul Johnson spoke about the kind of religious believers that Lenin, the founder of the communist state, feared. By the way, Lenin hated religion. But the point that Paul Johnson makes is that the men that Lenin really feared and persecuted, this is a quote from him, and later persecuted were the saints. He wasn't just concerned with people that went to church service. He was concerned with people that tried to live their faith. That's what he feared most of all. A front page article appeared in the New York Times on the 20th of July, 1919, and it talked about the persecution that the Orthodox Church, Archbishop Zeli, was going through in the case of Russia. They went through incredible things in order to stand up for their faith. And it wasn't just anybody, because as we know, some of the Orthodox faith just went along with Lenin, but some stood up and said, no,
diciendo muchas cosas. Decía,
no, tú no puedes hacer esto porque nosotros estamos representando a Dios. One of them was tortured and finally drowned. Another of them had their eyes gouged out and then shot. Another was hacked to death after having been tied to the side of a horse. Many horrible stories. Lenin killed thousands of religious believers. He hated religious believers who acted based upon a real religious zealotry, if you will, or strong belief. And we've already heard a little bit about the Chinese Communist Party. When news came that in Japan there was a plan to dissolve the Unification Church in Japan, Bitter Winter of Dr. Massimo Introvigne carried a report and talked about how the Chinese Communist Party hailed that. And in their words, the Chinese anti-cult movement celebrates the closure of the Doomsday Unification Cult. They called it the Doomsday Unification Cult and said it was very good that this was finally able to happen. Interestingly, there has been an alliance, this is deeply disturbing, between the People's Republic of China and their strict views, their denialist views in concerning religious freedom, and the positions that are taken by the anti-cult movement. This is a photo of Alexander Dworkin, the Vice President of the European Federation for Research and Information on Cults and Sects. What is he doing? He's speaking at an education program against new religions that's taking place inside the People's Republic of China, sharing his views there to be able to somehow reinforce the views of the Chinese Communist Party. And not just Mr. Dworkin, but also deprogrammers here in the United States, so-called U.S. cult expert Steve Hassan, and so-called U.S. cult expert Rick Ross. Likewise, they have spoken in the People's Republic of China and on behalf of the People's Republic of China against new religions. So the Chinese are actually using that as fuel to be able them to persecute new religions in the way that we've already heard about. Recently, I had an article published in the Korea Times talking specifically about the case of Holy Mother Han. And about a week later, not related to that, but about a week later, an article appeared there by Steve Hassan talking against religions. Of course, the Korea Times has all kinds of viewpoints, and so it should be. It's a newspaper, and it does print diverse viewpoints. However, in that particular article, Mr. Hassan refers to healthy religion. So I'd like to turn my final attention here particularly to this notion. What is the danger of the anti-cult movement understanding of healthy religion? It is welcomed by communist and deprogrammers alike, so-called healthy religion, because it does not allow religious people to rock the boat. In other words, they don't mind that people practice their religion so long as it does not in any way upset them, and we'll see what they're particularly upset by. So they're fine with the Catholic Church, where they get to decide who the leader is. They're fine with Tibetan Buddhism if they can decide who the leader is. And they are fine with the Falun Gong, which is put to the side because it tries to present things that they don't want to hear. The same in the case of the Uyghurs, or the woman that we see here. And the same in the case of Japan, we have so-called healthy religion, likewise, which is supported even by some religious ministers who have gotten caught up in the anti-cult movement, unfortunately. And I think I see these photos and I think of Lenin's quote again, that the people that Lenin really hated and feared were the saints, not just people that were going along saying, yeah, it's fine to go to church, but don't get involved with those people. What was it that they were concerned about? Generally, a healthy religion, as we've seen, has a certain perspective. I'm not going to repeat that. And otherwise, if you do not do that, then you're a cult. And J. Gordon Mountain, one of the experts of new religious movements here in the United States, has said, my working definition of a cult is a group that you don't like. And I say that somewhat facetiously, but at the same time, in fact, that is my working definition of a cult. It is a group that somebody doesn't like. It's a derogatory term, and I have never seen it redeemed from the derogatory connotations that it picked up in the sociological literature in the 1930s. If someone's using that term, you know already that they have a bias. So what is the real fear of communists? What is the real fear of the anti-cult movement? They do not fear people who simply pray, meditate, and participate in religious rituals. I'm not saying any of those things are bad. Those are very important things to do. But that's not what they fear. What they fear, oppose, and seek to silence is those who believe that God continues to speak to humankind still today through prophets and saints called by God to share God's heart, God's vision, and God's concerns for today's world. They don't believe, nor do they accept that God can speak through people still today. That's what they want to stop at all costs. And that's why if Jesus were alive today, they wouldn't accept him. They wouldn't accept Luther. They wouldn't accept Dr. Martin Luther King, just as Dr. Martin Luther King was rejected by religious leaders in the South and the United States because of what he was calling to do. And they wouldn't accept Reverend Moon or Dr. Hak Ja Han Moon. Religious freedom protects the voice of the prophets and saints of today who feel called to speak for an authority beyond the boundaries of governments and the laws of men. Religious freedom alone assures that God has a protected right to continue to seek and speak to us, and that humankind has the protected right to continue to pursue a deeper and more personal and living relationship with God, our loving parent. Religious freedom facilitates the liberation of God and humankind alike. Thank you very much. Release the Mother of Peace.
Vamos a liberar a la Madre de la Paz.
Thank you so much, Dr.
Muchas gracias, Dr.
Ward, for so clearly explaining the concept of healthy religion and how unhealthy it is and how much of a barrier it is to the real practice and the real hope that comes to us through the religious traditions of the world, and certainly all through the Christian tradition. We really need to be vigilant
Tenemos que estar vigilantes y reconocer
where and with what, from what corner this kind of persecution is coming.
Esta persecución está viniendo. Así que muchísimas gracias, por supuesto, por estos
aclaraciones
Now we've heard from all three of our
ya hemos
distinguished
escuchado
speakers.
de nuestros
It's time
oradores
to turn to
principales.
some
Ahora vamos
announcements
a ir a
by
nuestros
Reverend Bruce
anuncios por
Grodner,
el
the
reverendo Bruce
Secretary
Grodner, que es el
General
secretario
of
general de
WCLC.
la Asamblea Mundial del Clero.
Reverend Grodner, please go
Reverendo
ahead.
Grodner, por favor.
Yeah,
Sí,
thank you, and thank you for
muchas
this really
gracias y
brilliant
gracias por este
webinar. I
webinar
think
tan
everyone has
brillante.
a lot to
Yo creo que
take from
todos
this.
podemos aprender de
Yeah,
aquí.
and
Y bueno,
so just a couple
yo
of points. One
solamente
is the
dos
Keys to the
puntos.
Kingdom, which is
Una
an
es las
educational
llaves
track
del
for the
reino
World Christian
que
Leadership Conference that
estamos
Dr. Kim has
compartiendo
been really
desde la
hoping to
Asamblea
launch,
Mundial del
has been
Clero.
launched, and
Ustedes
we've been
saben que
going
con
through a
Dr. King estamos muy
series, and we will
entusiasmados
be
de compartir
returning to
estas
that
series
series on the
de
4th of October, I'm sorry, 4th of March.
y estaremos
And
continuaremos el 4 de marzo
that,
con
and
esta
also
educación.
yeah, so anyway,
Y
that doesn't take
recordar
place.
también,
The webinars are
el
usually on
webinar
the last Wednesday of
normalmente
the month,
suele ser el último
and that'll be
miércoles
the
de cada
only day
mes
that our
y, y este
our Keys to the
será
Kingdom will not take place on
este
that day.
miércoles,
Other
este
than that,
miércoles tampoco será
every
dado
Wednesday,
el
the Keys to the
último
Kingdom.
miércoles de cada mes.
And just like to just
Y
encourage you all
quiero
to
motivarles
come
a
back next
que
month,
el
March
mes que
25th,
viene, el marzo
same
25,
time,
a la
same
misma
station.
hora, a la
And
misma
as
estación,
we are embarking, there's
nosotros
a little
estamos
gap
embarcándonos
between
para
now and the Keys to the Kingdom, and the reason that
así
our
como las
webinar was on
conferencias
earlier
de
is Dr.
las
Kim
llaves
has
del reino.
encouraged
Estamos
some
motivados
key
también
clergy
para llevar
to go to Korea to really
clérigos
support
principales para ir a Corea y colaborar
Dr. Hak Cha-han
ayudar a la
in
doctora
her
Hak Cha-han
plight
en
and
esta
certainly this
lucha
religious freedom
por la libertad
crisis that's
religiosa
taking place. We'll
y
be meeting
así que
other
estaremos
clergy,
encontrándonos
other
con otros
Christians there,
cleros, con
and
otro
we
clero,
will
otros
help
líderes
to really
religiosos
support that, and
y
hopefully
realmente
meeting
colaborar y
Holy
ayudar
Mother Han,
para
and
la
hopefully
doctora
that she'll be
Hamon, la doctora
liberated and let go
y ojalá
on her
podamos
return from the hospital. So thank
podemos
you.
conseguir la libertad después de que ella salga del
Thank you,
hospital.
Reverend Grodner, for keeping
Gracias,
us
Reverendo Grodner, por
informed and keeping
mantenernos
us up
informados y
to
por
date.
mantenernos
And now,
actualizados.
to close us
Y
out,
para
we'll
cerrar
have a
esto,
benediction
vamos a
prayer
tener la
given
oración de
by
bendición que
Bishop
será dada
Charles Dudley,
por
who
el
is the
arzobispo
founder
Charles
and
Dudley, que es el
overseer
fundador
of New
de
Beginnings
la
Ministry of
Iglesia
Faith
de
in
Nuevo
Havelock,
Comienzo,
North
el
Carolina.
ministerio en
Bishop Dudley,
Carolina del
please lead
Norte.
us in prayer.
Arzobispo
Thank you,
Dudley,
Dr.
por favor, nos
Silver.
lidere en
First of
nuestra
all, let me
oración.
say, I hope you all can hear me.
Espero que me
Okay.
escuchéis.
I
Primero que
want to say
nada,
thank you to Dr.
quería
Ki-Hoon
darle
Kim,
gracias al Dr.
World
Ki-Hoon Kim,
Christian Leadership
el
Conference, and
presidente
Dr. Tanya
de la
Edwards. Thank you
Asamblea
for the
de
invite.
Clero, y
I'm
también
so
gracias,
honored
doctora
that you
Edwards, por
have
invitarme.
chosen me
Soy
from
honrado
your
de
vast
que me
Rolodex of
haya
preachers.
elegido para hacer la oración
And
del
to all of
final,
our esteemed
y a
speakers,
todos
my
nuestros
goodness,
oradores,
you
Dios
guys
mío,
did a phenomenal
han
job,
hecho
and I could listen to
trabajo
each of you
fenomenal, que les puedo
going
escucharles a
on
todos
more and more. Dr.
una
Thomas,
y
I'd
una
love
y
to
otra
hear,
vez. Gracias,
Thomas Ward, I'd love to hear more about what you were
Thomas
saying.
Ward,
But
me
it's my
gustaría
job
escuchar
to
más, pero es
simply
mi trabajo
release a
decirle,
word of faith
vamos
in
a
prayer
compartir esta
over
oración
this meeting.
en
So if you will,
oración en
please
esta
join me.
oración. Por favor,
Most
me
gracious
acompaña.
and eternal
Nuestro
God, our
más
Father,
gracios,
you are the
nuestra gracia,
creator
Padre,
of the universe, the
celestial,
designer and
creador del
architect of
universo
all
y el
things,
arquitecto, el
and to
diseñador de
include
todas las cosas,
mankind. You've created us all
la
in
humanidad.
your image. You are
Nos has creado a tu
God.
imagen,
You
tú eres
are
el
God
Dios,
who is known
tú
by
eres el
many
Dios que ha
names
sido conocido por muchos
for many
nombres,
different people.
por
To
muchas
some,
diferentes
you are
personas.
referred
Para
to as a
muchos
deliverer in
se
times when we
refieren
feel
a
trapped.
aquel,
You are our
aquel que libera,
protector.
aquel
You're our
protector,
provider. You
aquel
are
proveedor.
known by
Eres
many, many
conocido
names. You're a
por muchos
helper.
nombres,
You,
eres un
oh God,
ayudador,
are our banner of protection.
eres,
You're a way
tienes
maker, even
la
a
bandera
healer. You're
de
peace
la,
in
de
the
la
time of
salvación,
storm, and
y
we
también
thank
das
you
la paz
for all the
en el
things that you
tiempo
have done for
de
us.
las
You said to
tormentas,
us
y
in
te
your word, you made a
agradecemos,
promise to us.
y nos
You
hiciste
said
una
that if we
promesa,
call on
dijiste
you,
que
that you would
nosotros,
answer us, that you would
nosotros
hear
llamamos,
our
vosotros
prayer.
vas a
And
estar con
today
nosotros,
we
así
have
que
been
te vamos en
talking
la oración.
about
Hemos
religious
estado hablando de
persecution,
la
incarceration, religious
de la
freedoms. So we
persecución,
call on
de la
you today to
encarcelación,
deliver us
y
from
queremos realmente que
these
puedas
traps that the
entregarnos
world has set
que estas
for us
trampas que el mundo nos ha traído,
to quiet the voice of
podamos
those
realmente
who will
liberarnos,
stand in
podamos
faith
callar aquellas
on
voces
your
que
side.
no pueden
And I
entender
ask
y
you,
que
oh
pueden
God, that you
volver
will
a tus
open up
lados.
our minds and you would
Oramos,
touch our
pedimos
hearts
que
and you would
podamos orar,
speak to us
abrir la
and
mente,
through
abrir
us,
el
just as
corazón,
it
y
was
puedas
mentioned
hablar
in
como si
one of the
fuese
speeches
realmente
today,
a
Lord God.
través de
Help
todos
us
los
to
oradores
be
para que
strong
nos
and help
ayude
us to be
a entender,
courageous
para
in all
ser
things, and
más fuertes
help us to understand each other, because we see that when we don't understand each other, we can sometimes be against each other. When you've created each and every one of us, so help us to understand each other, deliver us. deliver Holy Mother Han, provide her with the freedom she deserves, and release her from incarceration, especially after her surgeries, and heal her 100% that she may continue to do the things that you have called her and assigned her to do. And it's in Jesus' name that I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amén.
Amen. Thank you,
Amén,
Bishop
amén.
Dudley, very
Gracias,
much for your
Bishop Dudley, por esa
graceful
linda
prayer.
oración
And
preciosa.
thanks to all of
Y
our
gracias a
speakers
todos
and
nuestros oradores y
participants for this
participantes por
timely,
este tiempo
stimulating,
y
important, and in many
estimulante
ways urgent program.
y tan importante
This
programa del que
concludes our webinar
hemos
program
compartido.
together.
Esto concluye
Please
nuestro programa
remember the
hoy.
reflection
Recuerde la
form sent in the
reflexión
chat.
que está
May our Heavenly
en el
Parent
chat.
bless and
Que
keep
nuestro
us
Padre
all
Celestial
and help
los
us to
mantenga
advance the cause of
y
religious
pueda
freedom
realmente
and
seguir
world peace
adelante con
wherever
esta
we
causa
are.
de la libertad
Amen
religiosa donde
and
quiera que
adieu.
estemos.
Thank you.
Amén y ayú.
Amen.
Amén.
Thank you.
Thank
Gracias.
you. Thank you very, very much.
Gracias. Gracias.
Archbishop Chrysostomos.
Bishop.
Muchas gracias, arzobispo. Muchas gracias.
Thank you, Dr. Kim.
Gracias, Dr.
This was a
Kim.
beautiful program.
Dr. Walsh.
Gracias.
Grace.
Wonderful program.
Dr. David Eaton.
Thank you.
Tito. And thank you, Dr. Thomas
Gracias,
Walsh,
Thomas Ward,
HJI President.
con nuestro
Thank you,
presidente
Dr.
de
This is
educación.
a powerful program. Thank you.
Programa muy
Thank you for
poderoso.
your joining and supporting.
Gracias por estar aquí.
Great work. Great
Thank
work.
you. Thank you,
Maravilloso
everyone.
trabajo.
Most important work. Thank you, Dr. Kim.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Adiós.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Adiós. Gracias.
Bishop from Brazil.
Gracias, arzobispo de Brasil.
Thank you, everyone.
A todos,
Thank you.
gracias.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
A todos, gracias.
Thank you for joining us.
Gracias.